In 2025, the streaming wars aren't just about platforms, they're about devices. And two of the most popular streaming sticks are going head-to-head. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and the Roku Streaming Stick 4K. If you're shopping for the best performance, smartest interface, and most bang for your buck, this video will break down everything from speed and content to voice control and app support, so you know which one's right for your living room. Let's start with setup and the user interface. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max plugs into your TV's HDMI port and runs Amazon's Fire OS. If you're already in the Amazon ecosystem, Alexa, Prime Video, Echo devices, setup is seamless. The interface is bold and content-rich, but very Amazon-forward. Prime content gets top billing and ads are pretty constant. Meanwhile, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K focuses on simplicity. Roku's UI is clean, snappy, and neutral. No heavy prioritization of one app over another. It's easier to navigate, especially for less tech-savvy users. Setup is fast on both. Plug in, sign in, and you're good to go. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max has a newer processor and more RAM than the Roku. That means faster app launches, smoother animations, and better multitasking, especially with Alexa routines or side-loaded apps. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K holds its own, with fast boot times and smooth navigation. But it does occasionally lag with heavier apps like Netflix or YouTube. If speed is your top priority, Fire Stick has the edge. When it comes to content, both sticks support all the major players: Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, HBO Max, and more. However, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max allows sideloading, meaning you can install third-party apps like Kodi, IPTV services, and even game emulators. Roku doesn't officially support sideloading, but its private channels feature can sometimes offer alternatives, though this is more limited and not as user-friendly. Both support Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and 4K resolution. So for pure streaming quality, you're covered on both. Quick pause. If you're thinking about picking up either of these sticks, check the affiliate links in the description for the best prices and help support the channel at no extra cost. And by the way, I use Fliki to create all my video content. If you want to turn your scripts into fully voiced videos, Fliki is fast, polished, and simple. You'll find my Fliki affiliate link in the description too. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which stick you're currently using. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote includes Alexa voice control with built-in mics. You can search, open apps, control smart home devices, and ask general questions. Roku's remote includes voice control too, but it's a little more limited. You can search and open apps, but no smart home integration or assistant-level functionality. That said, Roku wins for simplicity. The remote is lightweight, straightforward, and has shortcut buttons for Netflix and other popular apps. Fire Stick's remote is slightly more premium with volume controls, TV power button, and customizable app buttons. So, which streaming stick is king in 2025? Choose the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. If you want the fastest performance, you're deep into Amazon services, and you want sideloading and customization options. But go with the Roku Streaming Stick 4K if you prefer a clean, ad-free interface. You want a simple, easy-to-use system for any user, and you don't care about sideloading or Alexa routines. Both are excellent and under £60, but they serve very different users. Thanks for watching. Check the links below for updated pricing and let me know which one you're going with.